Hello everyone, I am Liana with Music Academy International, and guess what? I decided today to start a new series on Czerny Opus 599. So this Czerny 599 is for actually for beginners. It's the first Czerny that you could learn. As you know, I do consider the practice of scales, Hanon and Czerny are the foundation of how to play the piano. So when you do this consistently during time, I still do Czerny at this moment in time, you know, that's how the progress, it will be on the right direction, you know. Anyhow, so you do have on the playlist, my decision is based on the fact that I did do before a series of Czerny Opus 299, that is agility and speed, and I could see that not everyone is quite there, so that's why I'm backing off a little bit and then starting with 599. So again, 599, the first 10 studies are mostly for sight reading, so don't focus on the finger number, focus how it goes up, stepping or skipping up or down or whatever it is. Obviously you might not be a good reader when you are at this level, so don't focus on the fingers, please. I would suggest you to erase the fingers numbers from there. It would be easier. So that is my suggestion. Another suggestion for this first series of 10, it would be to take one hand at a time, you know, and practice a couple of times, and then left hand couple of times, and then put it together. And now that being said, let's start with the practice of it. Hello everyone, and right now we're gonna be with number 8. So what's happening in number 8 right now, we are talking about the chords. So I'm gonna go first and play it, you know. I place my metronome around 70-ish or 68 or something. So let's see how it goes. So right now, definitely we are in C major position, and let's see what is the pattern here to figure it out. You got this. So first of all, you got to pay attention how you playing chords. I don't want to see you, you know, if you are self-taught, to stay with this wrist high and not relax. So you can see me, I'm practically, you know, up and down, up and down. So this is very loose, limp and loose, you know, and then relax. After you hit the chord, relax, 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 right? Or ask your teacher how to relax if you don't know how. Or if you don't know how means relax, you need to be really limp, okay? Everything needs to be relaxed, okay? First it's a C chord, then obviously it's a G chord, very easy, right? So, yes, this would be the 5th chord, or the tonic, and the, you know, the G chord back. Now, the left hand doesn't have anything here, just C chord, sorry, C arpeggio. So, first 4 measure, nothing too much, so just practice this. Now we're going into next 2, 4, 6, 8, obviously, measures. Now we have this chord, that would be B diminished, but just B, D, F, and then back. 1, 2, 4, 1, 3 on the C, E. And then again we're having a C chord inverted, right? So So that would be the second inversion. And then you just move in the same position. From here, you're moving down. You see? G, C, E, F, B, D, going back to C major. This time 1, 2, 5. So these two, the fingering are 1, 3, 5. You can keep the same fingering, just going down. But then to the next one, you need to have 1 to 5. Right? E, G, C, and that's where it ends. On the left hand, here starting with measure number 5, you have nothing there. You just have G, G, C, G, G, C. But at this moment in time, you need to move your hand and play this C again with number 1. Why? Because then you gotta hit the G and ending in the C. So first you are in this position. 2 times the same thing. But you see here, I'm moving both hands. The right hand moves here, left hand moves here, and right. So I hope I was clear on this one. Please, if you have any questions, write down in the comments. Definitely please like the video, because that is not only that, it will make me very happy. And subscribe if you are new, because more it's coming. And it's really a pleasure of talking with you. I will reply to everyone that is asking me. And yeah, go on Facebook, where I'm gonna start very soon the live webinars. Okay, so see you to number what? 9? Number 9, almost first 10 are done. So thank you so much, and see you in the